If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Phemex, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Phemex. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address. Look for any messages in your inbox or spam folder. Step 2. Review your submitted documents. Make sure that the documents you submitted for verification are clear and meet the platform's requirements. Check for any issues such as blurry images or incorrect information that could delay the process. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the S-Sort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after resubmitting, reach out to Phemex's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation for quicker assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient while they review your case. Verification processes can take time, but you should receive a confirmation once your status has changed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Phemex efficiently. Good luck!